Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Adidas NMD in that Collegiate Gold. You feel me? I gotta give you that on feet, and you already know I gotta give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. All right, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box, and you know what time it is, man. Peel back gang. I got my trusty box cutter, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a good old slice down the middle. Then we gotta peel it back. You already know we gotta peel it back, man. So here we go. We got the Adidas NMD. Oh, we got packing slip, and let's get this box on up out of here. Here we go. We got that good old standard Adidas box right here that does say in plastic waste. You know, a lot of the companies are doing like more recyclable stuff when it comes to these boxes. And here we go. Let's open these joints. Ooh. Oh yes, looking good. Now, before we even get into the shoe, I want you guys to understand why I bought these shoes. And pretty much, you know how we're kind of, I don't want to say the Yeezy era is done, but the Yeezy era is done as far as new colorways with Adidas. And so I have a lot of Adidas clothes, track suits, T-Rows. Matter of fact, make sure you check out my video on the new Adidas T-Row 23, because those joints go crazy, man. But since I can't really buy any new Yeezy Adidas, because they're coming out with more, but they're not Yeezy Adidas. They're like Adidas 350s, and I'm not really feeling that, man. So I said, what can I buy that is Adidas? You feel me? And so I went ahead and went with the NMD R1s. Now, I do have NMDs. I do have Ultra Boost, but when I saw this color, I said, let me go ahead and grab these. They will be perfect for summer, and they're a nice, bright shoe. So I did get the NMD R1 in a size 10, and this is that Collegiate Gold right here. And let's go ahead and open these joints up, man, because I don't want to take too much time, because we know what NMDs are. But I do want to show you this new color, and yeah, these joints are fire, man. So here we go. We do have that NMD R1 in that Collegiate Gold. Let me go ahead and untie these. Here we go. We got that all one-piece sock-like upper right here. Then we have that bottom, which matches in that Collegiate Gold colorway, man. I mean, very, very nice shoe. You feel me? It's your standard Ultra Boost right here. We do have that Adidas bottom right there, and you can see the Ultra Boost, that white underneath, man. Very nice laces. This is one of those tonal shoes where it's all one color. So this is the kind of shoe that is very easy to match with. You can have all black on or red on or any color, and this is gonna be a pop of color right here, man. We got the insole, which is very small. Let me see. We got the Adidas right here. Hopefully you guys can catch that, man. But yeah, this is just one of those shoes where you can feel comfortable wearing them. Since it is that sock-like design, you don't really have to worry about your shoe or your toe box creasing. You can wear these comfortably if you're going to like Magic Mountain. If it's just a Saturday and you want to be moving, you don't want to put your forces or nothing like that on, or your dunks where you got to worry about creasing, that's when you throw these joints on, man. But you know, I'm not going to take too long with this video, man. You know, I'm going to go ahead and get to that on-foot portion of the video. And you know, I got to show you some outfit ideas, man. So stay tuned.
And right here I have the NMDs on, and they're very comfortable. I think you should go true to size. I went with the size 10, and I am a true size 10. I really like the fact that these, you don't really have to worry too much about creasing or anything like that. I kind of like call these like worry-free shoes. You can just wear them comfortably without even thinking about messing them up. And right here we do have the first outfit. And as you can see, we do have the Arizona State Sun Devils outfit right here. Now, this was a collaboration that Adidas did do with Eric Emanuel. So the shirt is a part of that collaboration, and the shorts are as well. So, you know, you can't really go wrong with that combo. And when I initially saw these shoes, that's what popped into my head, like, oh, that will go good with the Arizona State joints, you feel me? And so, you know, let me know what you think about this outfit. Obviously, I do have one more coming up, but yeah, this was the main fit I thought about when I saw the shoes. And right here, I do have the T-Row 23s on, you feel me? So I have the red T-Rows, and the shoes look good. Like I said, you could take these shoes and match them up with pretty much anything. I have the Adidas skateboard t-shirt on, you feel me? And one thing I do like about the T-Rows, just aside, is that you can zip it up or zip it down. I like it zipped down because it does show the entire shoe. Then I went ahead and threw on that J-Tips LA Dodger hat, you feel me? Just for that tie-in of that red color right there, man. But this is definitely a clean fit as well. Remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got more stuff coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.